abantu ilethe amaza lapha ke. Because sigqibe ngo-1.
Oh guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Are doing good. Njengenibona nangamageza. So Tolpa because
Sihamba sonke sishiye muntu sibuyile ekseni ilanga lisibiza siphakamisa amaphupha akukho sishiya sihamba nabahlobo sibambe izandla nokuba kunzima sizohamba kunye sihlale sonke sathula sonke senza izinkumbulo esingasoze sizilibale namhlanje singabantwana bamaphupha kusasa sizoba ngabaholi bezwe siyahamba siyakhula sibambe nengezandla saka ikusasa. One family, one dream, one dream, one heart. Imana. Siyahamba sonke, sonke, sonke. Siyakhula sonke, sonke. From the camp to the world. So phakamisa izwi. We are young, we are strong, we belong. Siyahamba sonke.
Napuma North. Okay guys, Figile transport. Aí eu.
Sihamba kunye kule ndlela sikhethile asijiki mva
Abo.
One family, one dream, one heart, one sound. Wherever we go, we carry love around. Together we rise. Namhlanje sifikile.
Nani esimanyini ngale.
Sihleke kunye abahlobo bami.
Okay guys, another day, another vlog. Let's just turn them guys, like this. Just turn them.
Alright.
sihleka ngazo kukho amaxesha anzima kukho nensuku ezimnandi kodwa xa sikunye yonke into ibalula.
These are the moments we will remember forever. The laughter, the music, the memories together. We don't need perfection. We only need love. With a little bit of faith, we can rise above.
Andizonga ngasema dibone indlela mde sasinzinzizo namhlanje siyakhula and if tomorrow brings a storm we will stand together. We lift our hearts, we wipe the tears, we drink together. Keep ready, keep ready. Masibuke, Masikamise, won't bother me, won't grieve. Siyama sonke, dance with me, dance with me. Buga, buga. Maganisizana, dance lulu, dance lulu. Dance baby.
Vuka mantombazane, vukani man. Kuyahlala.
Hello guys. Oh, I got you. Namhlanje imini enkulu guys, like bro, siyavuya mna siyahamba siya guys, see like see live TikTok and Facebook, so stay tuned. Yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Ngoku silinde abantu ile khamaza lapha ke. Ngoku siyasigqibe ngo-1 kako sigqibile thina. Ngoku sinele ikhamazi ke. Ne-leaders zipha, leaders late. Bona nathi imithwalo yethu, nanti imithwalo yethu guys. So siyahamba, asihlelanga, sihamba exesheni.
King. It's Biba leaking, guys. It's Biba leaking. Okay, guys, as you can see right now, we are preparing cylinder motor so that we can shwelele. I don't know ngalo videoize ndithuke makenze vlog akafuna yenze vlog andazi ba hoyika ndoni naba busy bayangxola abajava no jive. What's going on? Anyway, Kani siyavlogisa niyaphi niyothi sekhona ispace. Seba. Mana lo? Aku. Lihat. Bro, no tune tepen July na motake. Ula apa now? Kaji pen ko na apa? Mila kana bro. Sheka po. Bano kana po. Mila. Tule bandini angizafuna uthola nalo uAmila yena usemathandweni.
One sound, wherever we go, we carry love around.
Yeah,
Together we run, jealousy dealing. I'm fine just
Exematita. Yeah.
No matter where we come from, no matter what we face, when we stand together, nothing can replace us.
Okay, asilanga siyahamba bahafo bamfuthi tamleka ndino yota ngifaka sifuni zamaqaba kaloku. Okay, mamela sithi aba imahana le iphelele iye khona yona lokho yakho osithi Ning apa kita luna sithi aba sithatha uhambo uzamasi apa sithatha uhambo ekhaya yakhi siyendaweni endaweni basibuka sepha kathini event leyo sothini sesingisi la event siyongishumisa and bayayazi nabo sesistam bayayazi nabo yabo moya siphethe into ezikhala kahle moya ewe bazomusa just fix a safe driver jonga toshuke yilo Okay guys, now we are preparing for our journey. So let's go guys, please go with us. Not by the flesh, see by the spirit. Go with us guys. Now I speak English. Okay guys, we are going now. Okay, ngicela ithufi yambani. Ngicela ithufi yami. Okay guys, yeah, siyavaya.
Oh guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Njengoba nibona nangamageza. Bayahamba la mageza. Okay guys, we are going to Tallpark. Like guys, that we'll be sharing the vlog with you guys. We'll be sharing all the travel, all the day stuff, starting from here up until the last destination that we'll be going to. Let's go to the second vehicle in the bus. So Kangela Mageza. Second Mageza. Okay. Second Mageza. One by one. Okay. Ubanjo.
Lihle.
Sibasho suka phufuna ndona.
Sinenhlanhla
wapi?
Emakhaya.
Molo, ubanona kanene enhle. Ufuna ndona apha enhle.
Ayanzazi. Manje siyasebenzisa
Yo, usiqale location yonke nivile ke bohlala lapho shoda nje asiqale address. Spoon. Okay, because as this guy is following me off the follow, ne? This is the bus that we hired. This is the bus that we hired, people. We hired this bus because we know that then the number, the capacity was really important. So guys, we are grateful. Otherwise, we'll be chatting with you guys at every place that we will do another video. Another one. We are going to Tolpa. We're going to go back for a camp for a I'm polite, leader. Tolpa. Where? Tolpa. Yeah, we were about to have the time of our lives, team. We enjoy ourselves. We sing for enjoyment. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy us. Stay live. Stay tuned. Bye.
You deserve a video. Hamba nebheke yayibhasini. Ufuta ba? Is state. Lolo sisi.
Thomas, sisani bambule. Sudah.
Thomas. It's Jimbo. Excel. How come you boy? É bagulho de novela. Michael. Ai.
We are Tolbach now. Yes. 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 Yes.
Inhle kakni thwala abo apha ubone siphi kababonisi es for today man yazi 4 days.
Okay, come follow me. Follow me, people. We are cooking now. So let us go show you guys the kitchen. Yeah, let's go show you guys the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. The girls are cooking. The girls are cooking. The girls are cooking. She said she wanted to say something before we wara.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
now we are cooking.
We're cooking here, yabo. See, like, funa bangalamba abantwana babantu babasoba bebezothini apha yabo. So qala masibabethele isiqarayisi into abakhule ngazo into enesongo ezoya kula ndawo yabo.
Yeah. Then later yabo. Then later bazodla kamnandi. Let me go show you guys outside. Okay, as you can see, the girls, they are coming. They were outside to take a tour. You feel me? They were looking for Braspicho actually, about. They were looking for Braspicho. How do you feel, Chomi, for being hey man? How do you feel being here, Chomi?
Oh, yeah, because come down, Papa.
You are free, ne? What about Julina?
Happy.
You are far away from Kailicha. Bye-bye, we are prating Afrikaans now. Kobisa, how do you feel? Kobisa?
Nothing.
You are tired? Where are others? What is in there? Wow. You see, they bought some snacks. You gonna give me most? You're not gonna give me?
No.
Alright, go Kobisa. Okay, let's go check on others, guys, ne? So pegabanye ukuthi bava benzani, how far they are. Although they are coming. It took them 1 hour and something minutes for them to come back. I told them not to go to town, but they don't want to listen. I don't know what is wrong with these kids. Okay, let's go. Let's walk. Let's go. Sorry. Okay, there they are. They are coming. There they are. Let's see. Bayaphapha lapha. Batshelile ukuthi mabangayi down. Bona ba-first aid. bafoster like batshela ukuthi bangaye down bayafoster bakhetha ukuthi baye down bheka manje badiniwe balambile manje bacasukile abanye but ezinye indawo thina because we told them not to go to town alone. We were going to make a plan so that we can grab a cab so that we can all come back straight go down phuma straight to it not so it xa ufika phaa kweza board ezi-green you turn left. Look at them, they are tired. They didn't even buy anything. They are empty-handed. I don't know how they papa nje bafune down. Ish. Where's Colin Talk? Uyabona ka waterfall. Sithi ku right. Ubona kwela bridge. Sithi ka. Then sithi no so. If niyafuna singangoma. Yabo. I think ixesha. Selinde, selityekile. Uthanda. Hello. Siwa no Beniela ndone down tshwane dinwe kanjani I told you good ne okay how do you feel hello how done
Yo tamke yo tamke dilambe yo tamke yo Ngani Sometimes ngizobuya ndifithe ekhaya nento ethoyo igasi ngizobuya ndinazo into endithethayo baso ngizobuya ndifithe ekhaya indlela apha uyehla wenyuke asiyajima sonke sana phela ngizobuya ndifithe
Ngicela town. Benisiyaphe town, ngicela ngaye town. Wena uzima njani? Bese ngona futhi siyaranisibekiwe. Kabili. Asikabili. Asuru kodwa inyawo zethu yabo. Bapho yona. Ohlumela bese befikile ba. Ngibaqalele setown okay masambe into guys. Okay guys, as you can see bazidiniwe intombi. Ngibaqala babangaye town. Abamameli they decided to go to town yabo. They decided to go to town nganashi. Wabufuna nje uthenga ngathenganga. Ingenile imali town ntombi. Mnetana ngafika ngoku mnethi ngafuna ngafika ngoku mnetana. Ngafika ifuze you will keep up to. Mina joka mnetana ndita. Ajoka. Kalo nindelo mnani imali ingene. Okay, sika coming in guys, ingane zami zidiniwe. They are tired. They are so tired.
Sinyukile nesihamba. Esingakazi. Uzobe sisebuzwa. Sokithi bona bese siyathile bona. Ayi uzobe siba yena benathi down. Nathi down. Masiyandi. Linda
Go. Be down the set.
The memories together. We don't need perfection. We only need love.
You abengaya ngetown ugcobisa masamba ntombi. Bengaya ngetown ugcobisa. Muda kabantu. Yo. Nizawuye kuye town ngenyanga. Bezoyaka kanti benzohayika. Rasipicture usista Jeka bethunge nefonini. Okay. Hayi nto ayiyokhonekta phansi kwayo yokhonekta tu. Bakutholile umusinga bhuti notice. Okay, for us speaking. Okay, they are tired, so we are going in. We are going inside again. We're going inside. So guys, let's just talk in rooms and not sit there. There's a ladies. Then we're gonna take you guys to the toilet.
Dance with me, dance with me. Fuga, fuga.
Okay, like I said, sizoqala ngeroom yamajita yabo. So we're gonna show you around the room yamajita yabo. Nanga amajita ke lapha phakathi. As you can see, nanga amajita isijimbo. Nasi isijimbo, nasi isijimbo, nasi isijimbo, nasi isijimbo. Nasi isijimbo. Okay, nasi isijimbo. Nasi isijimbo. Okay, nasi isijimbo semajita. So njayam. Uziva njani njayam man? I feel fantastic wena da man, since silapha nyani emaphandleni, since okoselokishini
Ukophandle kubona wena.
ya malo moya ezindabeni da lo natural khona
Ya ane.
yini. Look at that view. Okay, sihambeni ke ngoku, we are going to the ladies room. Let's go to the ladies room. Okay, nawazi amantombazana, they're always clumsy. So okay, at least man baklina amantombazana kule game. Here are the ladies, as you can see. Here are the ladies. Nangamantombazane naba bebetown badinwa yabo into ezinjalo. Otherwise but sesilapha sibahle. How do you feel Thomi Ambala? Yeah,
It's an exciting experience.
yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, ne. Yeah, Thomi man. Ube kude napha elokishini ezokini kubona woman bethu ngiboyo man. Sethu, how do you feel being here, Thomi? How do you feel?
I'm good. Feel like, gonna take. Come on, I'm good. Feel
Mthokodo sisomdala. How do you feel, Thomi?
Oh, I feel so excited. Shame, I'm enjoying myself.
Again. Guys, Jonga. Ukuzwa nini town nokuyivi. Okay guys, okay, we're gonna catch us for a few minutes, a few hours, then we're gonna come back. Peace.
Hayi sethu believe. Lapho sisimele zinhloko eziyi-1 spot. Uzatsho ngikwenzele i-1 ibikam. Kumele singoyithatha.
Siyahamba sonke.
Hayi.
Siyahamba kunye. Kule ndlela sikhethile. Asijiki mva. Siyahamba sonke.
You are even your grocery.
One family, one dream, one heart, one sound.
Now
Wherever we go, we carry love around. Together we rise. Together we rise.
Nguwe safari jayo. Nguwe funileyo.
Manje sifikile. Sihleli kunye. Sihleke kunye. Abahlobo. Abantu bakuthi. Eyinkumbulo.
Enza nolwaliwa.
Today we celebrate. Today we are alive. We came together and we're feeling the vibe. No matter where we come from, no matter what we face. When we stand together, nothing can replace us.
Oluzu says that drink. When I don't buy that, I dream. You only have dream back. Little good you are in
Yowani andinoba nihlebe. Uzanofuna ndiqale indaba. Utubone ndoni.
Siyamba sonke.
Kozomku.
Siyamba kunye.
Hey guys, sihlele hapa thina.
Kulendlela sikhethile. Asijiki mva.
Hayi kona mungasozo wathi.
Siyamba sonke.
Ngiyamile.
One family, one dream,
one
heart, one sound. Wherever we go, we carry love around. Together we rise. Kudala silindile, namhlanje sifikile, sihleli kunye, sihleke kunye. Abahlobo bam, abantu bakuthi, eyinkumbulo.
Hey guys, so ndimo ngajanga sikara.
Yo. Ando jane. Apa man? Content action.
Itle. Okay, Imanis. Man, good morning. Kumagem namhlanje masifuke man siyolenguka man. So thithi ngini man sibasa kusiwe. Ngeke kucala. Mhlanga dile.
Come back, I
Impumelelo yethu
Eyazi nje sho.
Hayi
sasihambe endleleni enzima sithwela amaphupha enhliziyweni
Hemani hiye
He's a mass man.
Hemani hiye Nyekele Nyekele Sumamba myekele Isimo sinzima Inasizonyamezela Noma isimo sinzima Inasizonyamezela Noma isimo sinzima
sungathi
That's what I'm trying to do.
Eat ready. Eat ready. Masivuke. Masigamise. One for me. One dream. Siyamba sonke. Dance with me. Dance with me. Fuga. Fuga. Sometimes it's not about where we go, it's about the people we meet along the memories and the moments we will never forget. Community voices, together we rise. Sihamba sonke. Sishiye muntu sivukile ekuseni ilanga lisibiza siphakamisa amaphupha akukho sishiya sihamba nabahlobo sibambe izandla
Nokuba siyahamba namhlanje kubhizi andiyazi
senza izinkumbulo esingasoze sizilibale
bayahlamba
namhlanje singabantwana
kalusanje omasela amanzi
abaholi bezwe
abonakala ichenji mama
one family,
usekumnandi kunjeya kanqa usekumnandi kunjeya sajonga abanye ke guys kukhona indawo ekuthiwa yi-waterfall mosapendini kuthiwa ivile kekalandeli kuthiwa ndiye nesikolo sine-impact kule nto isikolo ndosivula yi-27 kuthiwa bani zasivula mna guys wena ungokukhetheka wena hayi mna sebangunasitixo infact okay nandiyela mna phana sabanye abantu so ngavula nabanini andithandi yo nivile ke guys wena mbali ithini into yakho how do you feel abake mna ndimxeleleni uba how do I feel mna ebekuthiwa akho sikolo bangaqala kuthiwa sesikolo nje akho nomeni abezawuhlala noba ndaze kumele bendithumelele imali ngetawuni nokubana wesendifit noba fithi for kule tawuni ndingayena kayitendi
from the morning to the evening, we were making
ready with me.
every smile, every story becomes a part of who we'll be. Abanye bayakula, abanye bayadansa, abanye badlala izigubhu kodwa sonke sizokhula kunye, sizofunda kunye, sizophupha kunye, siphumelele kunye.
So ngasambeni mani apha ingathi sigqibile ukuthetha nabantu balapha hayi ngizombuza 2 hours wena
sonke siyaphakama, one family,
Fika
one dream,
ozapha thoba
one voice, imana siyahamba
njalo Justin okay xolo tami xolo okay asizokubeza thoba xolo thoba Njani? Right, I'm happy ukifika uyakotuka.
Yavuya.
Yeah. Okay, ugomuntu okay. So ikiona kwa tuviva uyakotuka.
Bolo nani?
Oh, get in the school. Okay. Kala nathi isikolo sine impact kuyo yonke lento. Makhala athi futhi.
Ekhamba lo.
Shanks futhi. Yabizwa ngapha. Mona Chef.
Mona.
Njani?
Ngirani njani?
Yaphila nami. Sesicela ungixelele mntu wasekhaya. Uyavuya nje bakuthiwa uyagoduka okanye kwenzeka ntoni? How do you feel?
Yani ngiyavuya cause.
Okay, nantoni?
Mama.
Okay. Let's go. Hayi, uthi umakhaladi tamka. Uthi umakhaladi akakhathalelanga isikolo. Okay. Izathu mawu. Okay, akafundela ke. Okay. Tell me as much as you know, umlantu kushoti akangena stage akufika. Ufakelele nezibhayi kana ukuhamba. Udurisa kana ukuhamba John. That's why you know ke uthi tamkayenda uyibekile ba. Wanga kushoti awungena stage shoti ngoku. Uthi wena ufila njani lasekhaya nikuva kabi. Why you feel sad? Oh, I'm not sure ngiyakuzwela shem. Ude unqibe uthi practice kangaka kanti awusingena. Abantu take me to the house.
Siyahamba sonke. Siyakhula sonke. Siyaphupha sonke. Siyaphakama.
Mola inyon. Oh, I should never forget the stage, guys, in Yoli, because you think it's Jean.
Together we ride. Siyahamba sonke.
Nanda sisi sikuwe ngoku. Hey Tata. Kunjani? Right now. Tata, how do you feel about uyagoduka? Feel right. You feel why? Don't know to feel bad. Ndiyagula. Kaloku like asithathi ngoba uyagula okanye utheni. Ne manje. Uyayibona uba umntasa usiphendula into wrong. Oh, let's go to Spahle. Ngapha sisi. Hey Spahle. Hello.
Guys.
Unjani? Yaphila nami. Spahle kasixelele. Uhappy njengoba kugoduka okanye kwenzeka ntoni?
Oh, andikho happy.
Why ungekho happy?
Because ndiyagoduka ngoku like andifuni ugoduka.
Masikagoduka. Masikagodukini mandasa, masikagodukini?
Yes, ndigoduka konje.
Okay, hey on. Morning. Kasixelele man, how do you feel about uyagoduka? Khona wa-inji voice kodwa uzocula. Uzochopha phansi tshoni. Uphi? Waphi la? Molwe?
Batho. Ufaka. Ewe.
Akafuna ufaka ke anomusa guys. Mon?
Ewe.
Njani?
Yakanjani?
Yaphila nami, how do you feel about uyagoduka?
Do feel excited because ndiyavuya yhu.
Ntoni okwenza excited bese kanje?
Thumi ndokhe ndiyotyala lo. Nabile thumfi ngambe ngoku.
Oh, anomusa. Okay, ya ayinuwele masimshiyele indawo yakhe. Asana.
Izinto zomuvekela ntona.
Nanku lo uxaka izinto zokuvelizima. Okay, how do you feel Vietnam?
Andifili kakuhle into ndingazinto ngakwaterfalls vele kuyabanda. But it's fine, izinto zomuvietnam yes.
Okay. Vietnam. It's like kuba. Mana nukiputi.
No.
Njani? Right now. Usicela nuki, how do you feel about uyagoduka?
I feel it.
Camera man.
Uyajima
Akubonisa ukuthanda licala ubaba. enhle sileta semakhathalogi ngizabatsho mami khona into endizimkubuza yona nje kancinci mona kunjani right wena right now enhle kasixelele how do you feel njengoba ugodu I feel really good kwenzeka ntoni ntoni uzawufile good yeah like ngiyakhohluka bo ngiyobona ba kumnandi ke the last day hayi kabili uthetha I'm telling you, it's kind of push a place, guys. Okay, I think it's where you belong. Mamela told me, I'm a pocket is and my heart is very broken because. Okay, it's fine. See, I'm supposed okay, in another vlog.
Naphuma north.
Sikhumbula uhambo, sikhumbula insuku esasihleka ngazo. Kukho amaxesha anzima, kukho nensuku ezimnandi. Kodwa ke sikunye, yonke into ibalula.
These are the moments we will remember forever. The laughter, the music, the memories together.
Hi.
We don't need perfection.
Hi, Sisi.
Hi.
Hi.
Even that.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good too. Uzifila njani ugoduka namhlanje?
Yeah, I feel very sad, yes, because I support.
Like ingakubona Chomi andihamba mani ngathini. Uzifila sad.
That's like ngiyamkhumbula. I miss my family.
So kunjani uba yi-part of Imani?
I'm begging for it. Kunjani? Ngiyakufisa. Cousin.
Manibelani.
No, not like long time. Cousin. We fight, we fix, we stay. Yes. Because of that. I know the English.
Okay, I'm coming. Hi, Sisi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm not so good.
Why?
Ngikhelekile empini. But it's fine.
So, okay, uzifila njani uba uyilida lapha?
Dangerous sucks. Especially for Abba. Banulandelane emva kwabo. Ngiyakutshela. Nansi iteksi.
Okay, so sikuwe wena. Okay guys, fikile transport. Ayiyo theni mdaka kangaka.
Okay, it's people leaking. It's people leaking. It's people leaking. Mamelani people, we are leaving. We are going back home. No. Yeah? And it's all like them. So we are going back home. We are going back home, people. It's been a great adventure. Apa. Hey, bekumnandi yabo. Bekumnandi balapha bafethu. This is where. Yo. Hey man. I can't explain it otherwise bafethu nazi itaxi sesifikile manje yabo. Sizovaya ngoku kuthiwa nenkungu ngathi yaqala. Qala nenkungu. Hey guys, kuyabanda apha. Kuyabanda apha guys. Yabo. Kuyabanda apha, otherwise si happy. Ba happy abantwana. Ngoku we are going to the performance. Siya kwi performance ngoku. Yeah man. Otherwise, you know what? Have a great weekend.
One family, one dream, one dream, one dream.
Oh